welcome to the channel, Teresa Rene. So, let me forewarn you, you might hear my fan. I'm hot. Sorry about that. But I wanted to come on and share with you a haul that I have recently. So y'all know that if you've been, I haven't done many videos, but let me tell you, when I say I have fallen in love with this company, it's Annabelle's, and Annabelle's Perfectblend. I have totally fallen in love with this company, and what I love about her is that she has themes, and and you can buy these themes, and everything kind of works hand in hand and goes together. You can use them multiple, you can layer them. It does not leave a build up in my hair. I have been using these products probably for the last 2 months, and I freaking love her products. What I love is that everything just goes so well together. I can layer these products. I don't have a buildup in my hair. I don't feel like my hair is like really dirty or anything. You know, like sometimes you can use products and at some point it begins to feel heavy. They're very lightweight. Now I'm interested to see what she's gonna do for the, like the cooler months, because y'all know sometimes some things that perform really well in the summer may not work well in the winter months. So I'm not sure what she's gonna come up with, but I'm sure she'll come up with something really good. So what I love about her themes, this is the peach hibiscus theme, and y'all, her themes are, you get like 2, 4, 6, you get 6 sometimes to 8 products for like $45, which is the normal price. If it's 8 products, it might be like 50 or 55, but you cannot get that many products these days for this amount. And I'm talking about including shipping and handling. By the time I pay shipping and handling, her shipping is only $7. That is another thing that I love, because so many companies now try to just get over when it comes to shipping. It's like it does not cost that much to ship. It really doesn't. But anyway, her shipping is like $8, and I really can rock with Annabelle's Perfectblend. Now, it does take her a long time because everything is handmade. It does take a long time to get your product sometimes. So if you don't want to run out, go ahead and stock up when you order something, so that the next time you need to order, then you don't have to worry about running out of stuff, which is basically what I've done. And she has a sale going on for Labor Day. I chose not to participate because I have so many of her products that I need to use up, but she has 30% off. I'm going to try to get this video up. It's Sunday, tomorrow's Labor Day, so I'm going to try to get it up tonight so that at least you can go, if you want to check her out, and order something for 30% off. So, with the peach, and I think she has this up there again, the peach collection, I got the co-wash and the leave-in serum, and y'all can see these are 8-ounce bottles. Yeah, 8-ounce bottles, and girl, you just got to try it, I'm telling you. So, Tootie wants to come in. What you got to say, Toot?
Hey, y'all.
She's quick, right, y'all? Then she moves on. Then I got the daily moisturizer as well as the oil, infused oil. And look at there, y'all. Now, I've used these before. But I had a chance to order another one, so I got another one. But this does not like get in your hair or anything like that. Yeah, when you see those little, looks like hibiscus flowers or something like that. I don't know, but they didn't like come off in my hair or anything. I freaking love, y'all, I love those products. Now, in the peach line, I still have the conditioning mask as well as the hair and body butter. I have not tried her butters on my body. I've tried them on my hair, and girl, I love them on my hair. But if you have an opportunity to try some of her gel creams, no, it's not gel creams, it's hair creams. Try those freaking hair creams. Girl, oh my goodness, so she came out recently, and every month she comes out with a theme. So the month of August, her theme was unicorns. So I decided to pick up these unicorns, and the smell, y'all, the smell on all of her products are just fantabulous. You really want to eat them, but of course you can't eat them, but they just smell so good. But what I noticed is that it doesn't like linger in your hair too long or anything like that, which is fine. So if you don't like odors and like for your hair to really smell like your products, then I don't think you have to worry about these. I mean, it's just a light scent. It's not like overly done in your hair. So with the unicorn theme, check that out, y'all. So y'all know she has the unicorn on here, and she has the peaches on here. And some of the other products that I got in another theme, she actually had the I think it's a melon, so the melon was up there, so it depends on what it is that she's actually doing. So here is the Unicorn Tears Curl Cream, as well as the moisturizing hairdos. But look, y'all, don't they just look luscious? Oh my goodness. So I got those two, and I got the creamy oil. I've never tried the creamy oil, and here is the hair and body jelly. And look at the colors of those, y'all. So I've never tried these, but I'm interested to try these. I will definitely come back and let you know what I think about some of these products that I'm actually going to try, y'all. Annabelle's has gotten a shelf in my hair product, y'all. In my hair product stuff, she has a shelf. She has her own shelf up there. Because as long as my hair, y'all, my hair for the last 2 months I've been using these products has stayed moisturized, and I know it has grown. Yeah, this is day one hair, and I didn't use Annabelle's yesterday, so I used something that's okay, but it's not Annabelle's. So this is day one hair, so it's really tight, so you can't really tell, but my hair really has grown. But y'all look, right? I love the color of those too. So she also had the Unicorn Tears Curl Cream and the hair mask. Both of these are different colors. As you can see, how cute, right? And then last but not least, we got the Unicorn Tears whipped shampoo, and then a hair and body butter. Now I've not tried the whipped shampoo, and you know what? I'm about to open it up and try out one of these. Let's see what the Unicorn Tears smells like while we're at it. Yeah, I know it might seem excessive, but I go through these. I really use her products. Like, I've been using them like every day. I really like the results I've gotten from them. So I can't help it. Then she has themes. And like I said, so this is 2, 4. So I got 8 products for like $55, I think, which is great. Oh, it smells good. So this is the hair and body butter. So let's just put it on my hand here. And like I said, I use it for my hair. I don't use it for my skin, but I'm sure I probably could. Well, of course, that's what it's made for. I just use it for my hair. Oh, I like the smell of that. Yeah, I might actually put it on my body now that I smelled it. Oh, I like that a lot. Ooh, yes, girl, come on through. I like that. Anywho, this is my newfound product line that I love, y'all. And so I haven't really been reaching for anything else but these products. I've had like a product review, a couple of reviews I need to do, but really I reach for Annabelle's, honey, because I just really like the results that my hair give me. The products give me. Anywho, if you have not subbed yet, sub, hang out with your girl, and I will holler back at y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.